Unlock the full potential of your Canon Eos Rp by mastering its flash capabilities, transforming even challenging lighting into perfectly exposed and creatively lit photographs. Let's start with the built-in flash on your Eos Rp. Accessing flash settings is incredibly straightforward. Press the Q button to bring up the quick control screen. Navigate to the flash icon using your camera's directional buttons or by touching the screen selected to reveal your built-in flash options. For general use, auto flash is often your best bet, letting the camera decide when to fire. However, for more control, you have manual flash, allowing you to set the power output yourself. NDTTL, Canon's sophisticated automatic flash exposure system. When using the built-in flash directly, you'll often encounter harsh shadows and a flat look. This is where bouncing your flash comes in. Tilt the built-in flash upwards towards a light-colored ceiling or wall. This diffuses the light, creating a much softer and more pleasing illumination on your subject. For even greater creative control and power, consider an external speedlight like Canon's own range. These attach to the hot shoe and offer advanced features. Many external flashes offer ETTL for intelligent automatic exposure, manual control for precise power adjustments, and multi-flash for stroboscopic effects. With external flashes, you can swivel and tilt the flash head in numerous directions, bounce the flash off ceilings, walls, or even use a small diffuser on the flash itself for incredibly soft and flattering light. Experiment with different flash modes and techniques, like off-camera flash for dramatic shadows and fill flash to balance harsh sunlight. Mastering these principles will elevate your photography, allowing you to capture stunning images in any lighting condition and add that professional flash of brilliance to your work.